Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I have the perfect side dish for you. I am making this delicious chicken macaroni pasta salad. This recipe is very simple. I'm sure you already have all these ingredients that I'm going to be using today in your fridge or your pantry. Before I show you guys how this recipe is done, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, if you're going to try it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment down below on how do you make your macaroni pasta salad, and let's dive in to this recipe. All right, guys, let's begin. We're going to jump right into it. I am already boiling my pasta water. Then I am going to add some salt to it, and we're going to add our pasta. I'm using about 3 cups of elbow-shaped pasta. I'm going to allow this to boil for about 7 minutes. While that is boiling, I am going to boil my eggs separate. Allow that to boil as well. While these are boiling in the back, you can see it, I am going to season my chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. You can use chicken breast if you like. For the seasonings, I'm using onion and garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, Old Bay seasoning with a little bit of Creole seasoning. We're going to season the chicken generously because we want the chicken to be super flavorful. And before you season, be sure to drizzle some olive oil, as y'all saw in the beginning of this process. Now make sure that chicken is well seasoned, okay? Rub that seasoning in. Once you have the chicken is done, you're going to set it aside, moving on to your pasta. As you can see, my pasta is nice and al dente. I am going to drain out the hot water and place it in the fridge so it can cool down. While that is cooling down, I am going to cook the chicken. This, I don't know, let me know down below if you've seen a macaroni pasta salad have done this way before. This is something I just come up with. I'm like, okay, this, I think it's going to be bomb, okay, with like a grilled chicken. Let me know if you tried this before, or maybe somebody done it before, right? So I cooked the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Then I flip it over, allow the other side to cook. Once it's nice and cooked and the internal reads 165, okay, make sure it's nice and cooked through, and you're going to remove it. I cook the chicken in 2 batches, so this is the other batch, and then I am going to dice the chicken. Now, if you don't think your chicken is cooked through, here's what you're going to do. You're going to place it in the oven or the air fryer. Now I'm going to dice up the chicken. As you can see, it's extremely hot. We cannot make the salad while the chicken is hot, so I'm going to pop it in the fridge so it can cool down. Now this chicken is looking so good right now. My mouth is literally watering. Tell me you don't want to bite. Of course you do. I was eating it while I was cutting it, trust me. So these are the ingredients you will need to make your pasta salad. Everything is nice and cooled down. As you can see, I didn't show you guys the egg. I took out the egg, let it sit out so it can be nice and cool, and then we're going to dice it into small little pieces, just like so. Once you're done dicing your eggs, you're going to pour it right into the pasta, okay, just like that. Next, I am going in with some fresh celery. I love celery in pasta salad. It's nice and crunchy. It gives you that perfect hint of, you know, you're eating a pasta salad once you have a little bit of, you know, celery taste in there. I'm adding some bell peppers. It doesn't matter what color. I'm adding some onions as well as a little bit of Creole seasoning. Mix that up together just like that. Now here comes the star of the show, baby. The chicken. This chicken is so flavorful. You got the Old Bay, you got the Creole seasoning. It's so flavorful. I cannot. Okay, I'm going to add some sweet relish in there with lots and lots of mayo, and then you're going to give that a nice toss. Before we do, we're going to add a little bit of yellow mustard or Dijon mustard if you have some. Now it's looking really good right now. Once you have your mayo and everything else is well combined, you're going to add some hot sauce for a little bit of kick, or you can add some cayenne pepper. This right there is a little bit of sugar. Give that a mix just like that, you guys. This is going to be a staple in your household. I guarantee you. It's so bomb. It's so good. I hope you guys try this out very soon, because this will have your guests on a chokehold. Okay, they will be asking for this every single get together you have, guaranteed. All right, guys, let's give this macaroni a try. It's smelling amazing, by the way. My mouth is watering, so let's dive in. Give it a try. It's so creamy. Okay, cheers. So good. Crunchy celery. The bell peppers are nice and crunchy. I love that. Your salad is bomb, okay? You're going to thank me later. It's so good, so easy to put together. This recipe is so easy, you guys. I'm sure you can make this happen in less than 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also, leave a like if you're going to try this video. Before I close this video out, I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been working on. I have a website where I sell body butters and body scrubs. If you're interested on stuff like these, like self-care, these are my favorite one. This one is strawberry shortcake, and that one is pumpkin spice. So if you like body butters and body scrubs, head over to my website. It's glowdejour.com. It will be linked down below in the description box. If you want to support your girl, just head over there and check it out. I have a few more other stuff on there as well, so go check it out and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.